Good afternoon. Division of whole numbers. Division means sharing. That means you want to share something. But here we are talking about numbers. There are different ways of doing division, and moreover, there are different numbers that we can divide. Some numbers are just 1 digit, while some are 2 digits. Some have 3 digits. After we divide, some will have remainder, while some will not have remainder. So I have decided to do it separately. We are going to do those ones that are having remainders now. So later we will do those ones. We'll be doing those ones that will not have remainders. And later we'll be doing those ones that will be having remainders. So we want to do a division of 1, 2, and 3 digit numbers. Okay, let me quickly write by 1 digit. By 1 digit numbers without remainders. That means the answer that we are going to have will not give us remainders. We are going to do some examples. Number 1, I have 6 divided by 2. Number 2, 8 divided by 2. Number 3, 16 divided by 2. I'm sorry. Number 4, 36 divided by 3. Number 5, 24 divided by 3. Number 6, 486 divided by 2. That means we are getting into 3-digit numbers. So now let's go to how we are going to be doing it. Let's write solution. For that, number 1, 6 divided by 2 will give us the 2 ways in which we can do it. You can decide to just write 6 over 2. So this over actually means 2. So you can say that this is the smallest number and you're having the biggest number up. So in this case, or you just look at, okay, this number, this 2, if 2 can go inside 2, can 2 go inside 6? How are we going to do it? Having the knowledge of multiplication is prerequisite in division. So how many 2 will I say inside 2? Though for a beginner, you can be asked to count 2. So you count 2, you say 1, 2. How many 2 will you say inside 2? 1, 2, 1. That means I will see only 1 inside 2. So if I'm going to group 2 out of 2, is 1 group that I will have. So that's why I'm going to have 1. And I will say that, okay, for 6 also, if I have used 2 to divide this down, I must also use 2 for the up. So how many 2 will I see inside 6? So I will count 6 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 2 will I see inside 6? So, it's the group of 2 that I want to that. How many group of 2s will I see inside 6? So I will count 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. That means inside 6, I'm going to see 2 3 times. And 3 divided by 1, that one will give me 3. This is one of the ways of doing it. Another way you can do it is to say that, okay, how many 2 will I say inside 2? You research a multiplication table. 2 times what will give me 2? 2 times 1 will give me 2. That means my answer is 1. So, and 2 times what will give me 6? You recite a multiplication table. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. That means 2 times 3 will give me 6. So that 3 is my answer. And it's still the same answer that I will get. Another one is the normal way of doing division. If you want to do division, you do like this. There is a sign for division. This is the sign for division. The number that you want to divide will be inside Why what you want to use to divide it will be outside. How many 2 will you see inside 6? The way we have done it. This one is useful where your teacher expected you, and it is very useful. You must know it because your teacher will, mathematics, it is marked step by step. So definitely you must know it. You must know that this is the sign for division. It's not going up, it's just coming down like this. How many 2 will I see inside 6? You recite your multiplication table. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. So 2 times 3 will give me 6. If I should say 2 times 3 is 6, you must show me that there's nothing remaining. What you get up as your answer must be multiplied by what is here. So 3 times 2, 6. You write the answer under the number you are dividing. You take it away. 6 minus 6, 0. So far you get 0. That means there's no remainder and you are not doing anything again. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. This is one of the simple ones. We are still doing those ones that are simple. Let me divide it. Let's go to the second example, which is 8 divided by 2. There are different ways of doing it. So we write 8 divided by 2. So we say, since it's 2 that we want to use, we recite our multiplication table the way we did. 2 times what number will give me 8? Recite your multiplication table. When you get to the answer that gives you 8, that is your answer. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. You know my answer when I said 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 will give me 8. So 4 is my answer. 2 times 4 will come and give me 8. It's simple as that. Or we do it in the way where we will show our multiplication, our division sign. This is division symbol. This is it. How many 2 will you see inside it? It's the same way that you're going to do it. This one is necessary that you know it so that when you want to be doing long division, proper long division, you will understand it. This is a long division method. But when it is still a digit number, we used to feel that it is not long enough, only when it involves decimals. 2, how many 2 will I see inside it? You recite a multiplication table. Whichever one gives you 4. Sorry, whichever one that which one that you multiply and the answer gives you 8 is the answer. So 2 times 1, 2, no. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. So the one that gives me 8 is my answer. So 4 is my answer. Now let's go to the third one. Third one, 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. You can do it. I know by now you will just quickly recite your multiplication table. 16 divided by 2. So instead of you to be counting 1, 2, 3, you are counting strokes. You can do it so far you understand your multiplication. So 2 times what will give me 16? 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. No, this is not 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4, 8. No. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 8, 16. The one that gives me 16 is my answer, and that's 2 times 8. You do it the same way for this one also. For the long division method, you write your 16. What you want to use to divide it, you put it outside. And in this one, please pay attention. This is just one number, and these are 2 digits. And this is a 2-digit number. Please listen. You don't do it once, no. you take your number, since it is 1 digit that you want to use to divide, you take the number 1 at a time. 1 at a time. So 2 in 1. If I have 1, can I see 2 inside 1? It is not possible because 1 is smaller than 2. So I will say my answer is 0 for here. So that means that my 1 is still there. I will now put it here. This one will now become 16. 2 in 16. This is where you now recite your multiplication table. Okay, let me do it again for this one so that I will use our long division method properly. I'm sorry for that. You take it 1 at a time the way I said. So 2 in 1, we cannot see it, is 0. 0 times 2, 0. Can you see it? 0 times 2, 0. We've not done anything here. We have not done anything. So it's still our 0 that we write. So we take it away. 0 minus 0, so it will give us 16 back. If it gives you 16, you will now say 2 in this 16. That is when you now recite your multiplication table. 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 6, 12, 2 times 7, 14, 2 times 8, 16. The one that gives me 16 as the answer is my answer. So 2 times 8, 16. You come and take it away. We are already entering the long division method, and I don't want to do it together, but don't worry, I will still explain long division separate. So 16 minus 16, it will give me 0. So that means my answer is 08. And we all know that 08 is the same thing as 8. 08 is the same thing as 8. So my answer is equal to 8. Number 4. Number 4. That's 36 divided by 3. 36 divided by 3. So recite a multiplication table of 3. Don't forget to, when you are dividing, the multiplication table of the number that you want to use to divide is what you need. So multiplication table of 3. Which number am I, when I recite my multiplication table, which number will I multiply by 3 that will give me 36? 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 5, 15, 3 times 6, 18, 3 times 7, 21, 3 times 8, 24, 3 times 9, 27, 3 times 10, 30, 3 times 11, 33, 3 times 12, 36. 3 times 12 will give me my number, 36. That means 12 is my answer. If you want to do it in the long division method, write your 36 divided by 3. I told you when we were doing this that you take the number 1 at a time. Why? Because it's just one number, I mean a single digit I want to use to divide. So don't join it together, do it one by one. How many 3 will I see in 20? In 3. 3 inside 3, that's 1. I think you are getting it. 1 times 3 is 3. Write it under the number you are doing. Come to the second number. You said, no, we are doing it one by one. Have you done anything in this 6? No. So put 0 under it. Take it away. This one will give us 6. This one will give us 0. You have done it. It's long division method. 3 in 6. I'm going to realize in 6. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2. That means my answer is 2. I will still multiply also. 3 times 2, 6 also. So I'll take it away. My answer is 0, 0. So that means this is my answer. Now let's go to the fourth one. Okay, the fifth one rather, which is 24 divided by 3. So you know the first thing you quickly do. Recite a multiplication table. Okay, 3 times what will give us 24? Yeah, let's go. 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 5, 15, 3 times 6, 18, 3 times 7, 21, 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 8 will give me 24. That means 8 is my answer. It's as simple as that. And for our long division method, we write 24. We use our divisor, which is 3. Don't join it together. Take it one by one. Even if it is 10 numbers you want to multiply, want to divide rather. So far, it is a single digit. You want to please be taking the digits of what you want to divide one by one. 3 in 2. How many 3? This number is small. Immediately you have a smaller number than the number you want to use to divide. Write 0 up. It can't go. So you say 3 times 0, 0. Have we done anything to 4? No. We put 0 there. So we take it away to still give us 24. Yes. Now we will now say 3 in 24. That's when we recite our multiplication table and it will give us 8. 3 times 8, 24. Number 6. This is 3-digit number. In this case, let me tell us something. 3-digit numbers are the numbers that you cannot just recite. You cannot say, yeah, I want to recite multiplication table and you will get the answer. No. You will have to use your long division method. That is why you must have a good knowledge of it. So now let's go. 486 divided by 2. In this case, I told us 1. This is 1 digit rather. You take the number, you take this one, you do this one, you do this one. That's how we are doing it. So 2 in 4. How many 2 will you say inside 4? That's 2. When you have done it like that, you must multiply. Write your answer. 2 times 2, 4. Have we done anything under 8? No. Have we done anything under 6? No. So put 0 there. You subtract it. This will give us 6, 8. This one is 0. So we may not write anything under 8. That 2, come and use it to divide 8. Don't take the 2 digits together. Make sure you do it one by one. So, how many 2 will you say inside 8? 4. The answer you get multiplied by what you are using to divide. 4 times 2, 8. We've not tampered with 6, so we put 0 under it. We subtract it also. The answer will give us 6. 2 in 6, 3. 3 times 2, 6. And it will give us 0. That's for long division. Number 7 and number 8. Number 7 and number 8. Number 4. 520. Number 7. 520 divided by 4. We will use our long division method. 520 divided by 4. We'll be doing it one by one the way we did it. How many 4 will we see inside 5? 1. Our answer here, we multiply it by this one and we'll come and write it under. 1 times 4, 4. We've not done anything to this. We've not done anything to this. So we take it away. It will give us 0, 2, 1, 120. I told you we must be taking it one by one, but in this case, you know that this one is a remainder from what we've done here. So you will not take it as 1 since it is a remainder, because if we decide to do it, it will still give us 0. You still have remainder later. So, and it will spoil our answer, and it is not even the proper way. It's a remainder, so you take it with this one, so that it will now be a single a number, which we will now call it as 12. So 4 in 12 to give us 3. 4 times 3, 12. We've not done anything to this 0. This 0, you know, it's our unit here. Don't throw it away. Don't say it's just 0. It's not just 0. It is very useful. We subtract it to give us, you know, it's this one that we've done something to. This one, if you take it away, it will still give you 0. Sorry, this one is 0. Let's say this one is this one now, we still have 0 here. How many 4 are we going to see inside 0? is 0. 0 times 4, 0 is going to take it away. This is our answer here. And we are going to do this one also. (762) divided by 3. We will be taking it one by one like that. How many 3 are we going to see in 7? 3 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times 3. 2 times 3, 6. We write 0 under this one. We've not touched them. So our answer is 2, 6, and this one will give us 1. It's a remainder, the way we did for this one. So we take it together as 16. How many 3 are we going to see inside 16? 5. 5 times 3, it will give us 15. We've not done anything to this. We are going to write 0. When we are going to subtract it, this one will give us 2. This one will give us 1. It's a remainder, so we are going to join it together. How many are we going to see in 12? 4. 4 times 3, 12. So we subtract it also. It will give us 0, 0. That's our answer. Our answer for this one is 762 divided by 3 is 254. Why? This one is equal to 130. Now, try to do this one as exercise so that you will use it to test your knowledge. I will write the answer at the end, but your workings will show if you get it or not. Exercise number 1. Let me form the numbers. Okay, let me start with 24 divided by 2. What will our answer be? Number 2. 5. Let me think of a number. Okay, 500 and okay, 522 divided by 3. Let me see if it is something that will not give us remainder. I don't want something that will give us remainder at the end. Yes, this one will not give us remainder. Another one, I will give us the answer so that when you work it, you will see if you get it or not. 8 800 and 8 oh my god. Okay, 815 divided by 5. The answer for this one is 12. Answer for this one is 1 7 174. 174. Yes, that's the answer for this one. Answer for this one is 1 4 3. 143. Yes. Sorry, there's a mix up here. Let me change this one to 7 so that I won't have to rewrite the entire answer here. I'm actually doing another thing in my mind. Yes. Yes, so number 3 is 715 divided by 5. So to give us 143, let's cancel this one. Solve it and let's see. I wish you good luck.